Hi and welcome to Smart Trade App's how-to videos. Today we're going to go through how to use the virtual terminal in your online dashboard to accept card payments from your customers. What a virtual terminal is simply a card terminal that exists in your browser that you can use when you're taking payments from a customer over the phone. So if I go to the top right hand corner and select Take Card Payment, I'm going to come through to this page here. First, I'm going to start by adding the job name, which in this case was a water tap replacement. The total amount for this job was about £260. I'm not going to add the VAT. In the third step, you have the option to choose your payment type. In this case, we're going to use the virtual terminal to take a card payment. And as you can see, I've already filled out all the details. You need the card number, the expiry date, the CVV or CVC, and the postcode of the customer. The postcode is for security reasons. Once you have all the information filled in, simply click Process Payment. You'll get a confirmation where you can send a receipt, and that will go to your customer directly to their email inbox. That's how simple it is to use your virtual terminal to take a payment. I'm Kent Vorland. Please don't forget to check out our other how-to videos. Thank you very much for watching.